the street neat. It's nothing more satisfying than grabbing old parts that haven't run in decades and doing nothing more than giving them a simple clean up, degreasing them, taking all the oil and stuff off, and give them a bit of a bead blast, to end up with something like this in a very, very short space of time afterwards. And I've done no rebuild on this whatsoever, this old fuel pump. I've just simply started with a crappy old one and cleaned it, and we'll see if the thing starts. Enough fuel on the carburetor. Let's just see if this fuel bowl fills. Look at that. That pump would have been sitting around for about 50 years. Easy, 50 years. Look at that. Works again straight away, no rebuild. Thanks for watching.